Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Siri in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. To use so, at first, here you need to enter the application called ROBOROCK. But instead of going to the device and entering your device, you need to go to the profile. Here you need to tap Smart Control. Tap Siri Commands and add the Siri commands you want to use so you can control your robot using Siri. For example, it'll be returning to dock. Return to dock. Maybe return. Okay. Tap done. And now you have return. Execute ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge series returning to dock. Now, wait a moment, I need to get rid of my laptop. Here. Let me remove my vacuum from my dock and let me execute my command. Return. It's working, it's executing, but in a way he is going over here. And now I think he wants to go back. It works slowly, I have no idea why, but it's coming back. Let me show you the map. If I manage to do so, here it is. He's going back to the dock.
Charging.
It works. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.